Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations-handmade. The perfect place for you to learn how to make beautiful things of your own. So make sure if you're not a subscriber, you click the red button down below. And also please click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I have another video on my craft room organization video series. In this video, I'm going to show you my wall of dies. This wall holds a lot of my dies. And it's really practical and it's so easy to put together. You're not going to believe it. So I hold a lot of different dies in here, and these dies are not in here in any particular order. I just place them in there because they fit perfectly this space, and several of them I use a lot, so it's handy to have them in there. And I also have another mini wall version here on this side, and on this side I hold some more of my dies. This one is a smaller version because I have a little furniture piece under it, so it doesn't go all the way down, but it's very practical. I hope it's useful for you. I'm going to show you how I made it. Actually, I bought vent covers from the Home Depot and Lowe's, and I adhere them to the wall using thumbtacks. They're not adhere. They're placed on the wall and they're held by thumbtacks, like the ones you see here. These thumbtacks I bought from the office supply store. I got these ones at Staples, and this is really easy to do. What you're going to do is you're going to see how many vent covers will fit on your space. So you have to get the vent covers and measure them, and measure the wall that you're going to use your vent covers on, so you have an idea of how many can you use. On this small wall, I use 4 vent covers by 6 vent covers. So I have several of them here, and they hold pretty well. They hold a lot of dies. These are not all of my dies. I have a lot more, but I have them stored in a different area, and I'm going to share that also in another one of my organization video series. But I wanted to share with you this wall because it's really practical, easy to put together. It's not expensive at all, and you can hold several of your dies, and it's really good also because you know how they say out of sight, out of mind. If you don't see them, you usually don't tend to use them. At least that happens to me. So I use a lot of the dies I have here that I can see. And it's so easy. The good thing about this is that you don't have to glue them to the wall. You just use the thumbtacks here. And I place the thumbtacks in between the 2 covers. And what that does is I only need 1, and it holds 2 of the vent covers. So over here I have 2 because I'm holding here 4 different vent covers. But this is so practical. It's so easy to put together. This vent covers, you probably can find them on Amazon, and you can find them also at Home Depot and Lowe's. They're very inexpensive, and it's so practical. I recommend also that before you put them in here, you take a picture of your dies and name them. Make a catalog on your computer so that way you know what die is from whom, which manufacturer makes them, and the name of the die. So it's easier for you to have them together in one file, and you know which one is one. If you have the picture and you have the name and the manufacturer, it's so much easier to know which one is which. And also, I have a friend, Sandy, my friend Sandy. She told me that she uses a transparency to kind of like prick them from the wall, because sometimes they can get stuck in there real good, and it's not very good for your nails sometimes, but it's for the most part really easy. I don't really have much issues removing them, but if you do, you can use the transparency or something to kind of like plug them out of the magnetic sheets. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope you like it. Let me know down in the comment section how you like this idea and if this is something that you would do. And also let me know if you have any ideas that can be helpful for all of us for craft room organization that we can share. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all my existing subscribers for all your support. It means so much to me, and I so appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.